Touch a mina, Pamuka, some power you run. We are Yamia, the Cremina, Pamuko. Thank you, Jesus. And I'll pay the radiation. Adeshia Mutie Asempa FM 94.7. Yeah, the radiation so to Manko Manyanko Pon and Sabua Kwana Fenaku to Trobonshu and Kanye Jano. Now to Nahuma Bonchi, Gusutiasian. Touch a medable Jim. If you are still alive, it's not by your mind. It's not about what you know, the food you ate yesterday, but just by the grace of God. Let us render our praises unto Him, the maker of the universe. Adesha Mutie Life FM Central Region. Anopai Yesu Timu Yechiamo. Greetings from the corners of heaven to everyone. On my platform, one more Facebook page, Apostle Solomon Odro Facebook page, Anopai Radin Shramo. Sharing is a blessing. If you are there, just share for me. Keep sharing. Mama Shawa Asempa page. Our Facebook. God bless you so much and increase you. Meeting the Apostle Solomon Odro. With me, I feel me talk to Achami and Opay. The trunk on your Brunswa. And some can get here than in some choboy. And some are bene. And some at Yapakama. Edja Twentre Agentia. And I'm so for. Ye be mutuni perform. So I shall cast a year when I'm on 2. I did be obey and a day on the 10th of September. Sunday, be a uncle for say any man who be in the war. The radio Sima Yisa, Queen Star, Pakwasi, Action General, Sandra Jane, and also Lady Reverend Dr. Charlotte Woodrow, Reverend Godfred Eufia, a become Pipe Bogumano Pay. If we are near this special message, ya bro, ya chua ben rade. And then my catch was saying me, the first year church you soon warrior, or quiet fast or air banning a whole room. I am in you probably grenade tear me was I see so. And then qua sumbia or crash him. Then we celebrate media quasi. Soon summy asenum, what Jabba Juma FM. For who you be see was Shabraso. Radia Sani Woman Kumano Pay. Edwano Passa Brianna Baby Yadi. Home Ramanan. Every Senyaman was Rabati. A sunny room. And what they were Gia for Hoodie. When I'm in a bassa so, a sunny perfume punchimo. Mama here on Facebook. Patrick Lolo. Esther Coast. God bless you. Dino for Yamankwa. Comfort Daisy, Mama Messi. Mamie for Ajimai. Richard, God bless you so much. Someone a Fazy falls in. Philip Annan, God bless you, Nanapoku. Catch you yourself on joining the platform. And I'll pay a radiant when you can see also. And so, Bema, a 2 and a jewel. In Sayari, say a dear. A radical home. Psalm 91 says, He that dwell in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. And I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him will I trust. His truth shall be my shield and buckler. I will never be afraid for the terror by night, nor the arrow that flies by day. The Bible says 1,000 will fall at your side, 10,000 at your right side. They will never come near you. You shall only observe with your eyes and see the reward of the wicked. And the running fan in Sanka Christonibia would dear me no pay. I came on your way to encourage you. Some be shown crack at our say, Yamaka Hawati. Did it for you to say Yamatiasi? Don't allow the social media, don't allow the situation, don't allow the marital issue. A man can't just say maybe in ho. Our God live it. His name is Jesus. Tichibutai. Any approval to Nyame. Omusani ya wopa wonsan kan de. Ba Nyame ye Nyame. Mawa for fear. O cry mo one sabas. Sunday and people the beer. Hey, ye fever more to be what to be an open to me. Minimum said you men call you what you fear. I want that my battle stroke. Watching your mono. What's the senior when we are saying? Watch it, Chiria every mopo. Watch it, Shasha, a bedry. Hey, you bet you're gonna pay. I feel the power of God. Yeah, new number. Yes, honey, I'm a deno. One son of you, my young one. Yeah, you said, hey, your friend Eshadai. Katata Bushi. Ever didn't chairman so be son of pay. Elohini, Elohika. Hey, young coupon. Jehovah Sama. Emmanuel, Winnie, Ye Katabu. Adon and here, Radia. 2 million. Oh, the man Tampia when you are Rohi. Oh, God, have a power with me. Around the chairman, see your soul. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. Let God restore your soul. And the broken soul, and the broken soul, and the broken marriage, and the broken business, and the broken ministry, and the broken destiny. Let God restore. I hear in my ears, I am about to restore. We shall be what Uche Morgana have. I did be about the Fuaseno. You're about the Fuafa. I remember in the other day when David went to battle, Bible saw by a penum. They have been falling in the Mako. Yet they just in the crew. Bible so dear who should ya? No Konya, Mr. Radin. Minty me time for my 2 mana. The radicality woman number 2 more. And you shall recover all. I pray for divine grace. Grace to recover any stolen destiny. Sebebia ya fatna so. Adibi nya me de ball be wiase ufie fafa senwo. Erade restore sebebia. Don't kill yourself. Don't cause any suicide. In the spirit of suicide, I ever will fear Casa Catchos of Kumo when I first when you were so. Don't kill yourself. Don't end now. Tell yourself destiny can never stop here. There are so much in you. Okay, come Matthew chapter 27. The verse 40 going. Ye the Yesu who fell. Yes, 3 Yesu. Since I am open up before 3 war. Brack of open and you pass 3 war. Ye the Yesu who fell. Yes, Reno. Next Ariano. The result that came after the mockery was great and powerful. A Torabia command yemu. Oba consohemu. When he be guas dear. But my man can't you say. Nyabutre woman who blame Nyabutre na Kenya mi oyo bofo no wa bankese no. Matthew 27 verse 40. And saying, thou destroy the temple and build us it in 3 days. Save thyself. Nipa na ka weche Yesu. Wona wo ka say. Wona na se bubu aso na de na sasi. Enye ono a Jehoni ehwe. Wona aso tia broche. Hwa oba ne ehwe. Wona aso kwa sori. Hwa wa brabo. Wona aso su nyame tetu yaso. Fa o ma be kire ye. Fa wo ku me kire ware bi ne ehwe. Wo hema mi se ture bi eya. Eye feria power ni pani so. Ba yewura Yesu ne de bi hia no. Hwese ni pabonifo bi ni pa bi akanya asam a. Konia no wo Yesu anim. Hwese odi Yesu ho few. Ono bubu aso na esi ni nansa no. Jehoni ehwe sa few sa ka sa nya. And na me pesa wo sorry fear nu guase mu. Na ka che okasa na wugu mani mu ase wo chemenya ni munya mabro so. Can you read the tree for me? I love the tree. Was if thou be the Son of God, come down from the cross. So woni Nyankopon ba na free asɛnua no so. Bra ne ehwe. Hey. Ebia no pobi tie mi. Fa brought you our yam. What compa wasa? What declare when you pen your name say wo do nyame. Wo be nyame achi. Me borrow dem pa say what dey show when munyan wate. And then me show be cry ka show say. E wa dey kan ho. Was where would tree a Sunday? Now the Nansa Esiano Joe Way Chini na Yami Deno. Hey, I know what you where you at the dear part Casachi. What wouldn't was it? Where would tree a Sunday? Now the Nansa see Joe Way. Well, you have 40 days fasting. FM. Warrior. We've been here. Quaboche been here. Oh, Radin Yankopon. When your baby, what for you so would see me often guasimo. I thought I also Jenya, my son of Bob Baby or Pebby. Me power chummy segment sayum. Me power channel pace and Pabada. Eja and Muguasia. Where you raise Rasimi, yeah, catch it on. What would you a Sunday? Not an ancestor, Joe. Ah, I had to make a see a part. And you fed ye. You didn't hope for your church, you know. Your church, Jesus. Your church, Jesus. I don't call your church in one. Todabinasa, Oqua Doria. Not to be any baby in himself. What are we 8 years on? You know. Your baby by and Chani, a chin abandoned through and I saw your baby for. I hope. So what they want here? Baby, I would dare thing. Who fear Rebellion? Jampa botenti si wuda na kwatra wodan mu. Ametore bia wo kompa bompa na feri. Wo bompa yempa na feri because wo tibia no a wo timu no. Emfata mpa boni. Wo tibia ne ntiasa wo kwa sorry. Wo tibia ntiasa wo sum nyame owu ye sorry na asaso. My God. Etode bia ka ebeye na kani pafem no. Kenyakopon sane sagrada. Ati ties nipa bi so. Wo ma hu sampa nyame tiase. Be etode bia otafo mpa wo ye mpo no. Ono po na wo di yie. Eruade kasa. Yedi be ye Jesus. Wo wudri asondan. Now the narcissist ye Johwe. Sa wo ye Nyankopon ba. Was a Nyankopon ba ne wo a free asenue ye ho sifom.
Asempa FM.
Sa Onyankopon ba ne wo a free asenue ye ho sifom. Sa wo kwa sori na so sunyame port asia. Wonso sidani bi ne hwe. Wonso ye bi ne hwe. Minim nipa bi edi watem. Minim angwase bia wo fam. Ba enedai Onyankopon sanye kese wo so. Na Awurade mie kwama. Ade bia abayifu ahye ede ato ma. Sunsumo ahokyere bia wo fam. Amane bia wo kom. Awurade kasama. Wo say se Onyankopon ba ne wo a free asenya ne ho sifom. Sifom. Obi so bia na no wo say sawa na onso. Wo say sawa na asofo mpanifo ane atwerefo no ane mpanifo no gro ne ho. Ya gro Yesu ho. Ye di Yesu ho fel. Ya gro agenkwa no ho. Come on. Etode bia enkrata wunya yenti. O ma me ferry because ne bakosha konto 50 years o me fie da. Wo frase tu kwan o ma obi ete se ne banyame ya atom ye betu kwan. Nyame ahye bretufo ne munyam. Nyame ahye ayekofo ne munyam. Ye betu me kwa brochire. Afa emfie du ni ya wo magana no. Ona ose ne ba wa brochire. Mane man ni skaro fentu aneka. O ma me ho ka doso. Wo nua etifie won ko school. Ona se otia brochire. O ma ni skane hwe. Minimanu kwase bi yegu de. Bas yegu Yesu ni mwase. Na so nyani monyam dia. Bible say asede no ho wompo no wankasa. He me bon pa ma say. Ma Philippians 2 verse 5 to 11. Man ntra wo mu wate. Sister ye kom kasa. Ye di watem. Ye di ho fel. Me say ye kom awurade. Na amre be ba wasesefo. O me go anim ase. Ye mu be ye testimony. Nipa bi sopa ye gu ye nim ase. Pa ye ho ntoma obedwam asayem. Ba ye kom awurade bonya me pa ye. David say what they me papa me ye ma no what the bone ne tua me ka. Na so me de empire na mebo. Minim say ya. Wo be ye bia wonya me som bia na senko asemfa. Akwanche be na wonye. Empire be na wo moye. Yes, so can I for fire fasting. Who can I what fasting? About a for real bobby. A country will be. Why a country panya mu ayabanya mu yare. I told you nekas whoop. Didi na dos no. Yes, why a country for years. Now so come on our real keke to me can be here. Christian be ya papa or ye give up or ye jemo but none pay and not pay and radia basa so yes more you do never bona ba was Eli sama matani was a radi minyakopon I don't know what power me and the radi so mo wate e radi fan second ni ba die so ho fel wo di natam. What can some a new some trano? Nina say, a nyaba, atono. And open nipa. Eddie Watam dear. Baba say, I suffer penny for sometimes. I say, when you come when you suffer Christopher, I'm calling a deal with new grass here. I can't win him. But and then me say what they say. When you're more pack what baby a coin here. On pack one. Yet the Yesu. Yadi yano. Where would you that Sunday is in Nassau? Joe, Obia ko 40 days fast or buy a problem.
Asempa FM.
I remember one young pastor. Minimum so you're faithful, when you're good. Why you 40 days fast in year or bump or package on Buhi no we. Oh Buhi, whoa. What trust you for years for a virgin? Yam assuming to a fellow man called Bada, who go with that package. So can you imagine saying, "Mamma, Metiasi, Naka, any public I say, obey you, or sorry, Yame, or sorry, Yame, person who go with that package. Go for Channel West, and you found that package where you can wash here. Minimal Guasia too, and I'm swimming with you. But a bit to Jesus, there's something happening. Now one paba. Bible says, a sinner who and Guasia, one casa, and Nutia money dean. A building naso. Verse 43 was say, what they knew what to Yankupon so. Case open manu enyi no na onkase Onyankopon baneme. Was what ne what to Nyankopon so. Oji nyame die. He say na ya ato ni nyame ni. Say nyame na magye ne hwe. Na onkase me etom ne nyame gye me. Hey, say waka ko do pepe so say ampasa na wo so nyame dia ene o magye na oji wi a fa di yatam. Fa hwe yampoa. Say ukoma ne nyame ne begye wo. Na say waka Yesu num a say asibie ni Yesu num. It was say what the hot to Nyankopon so. Ka say open. Manum be no. Na onka say Onyankopon baneme. Sometimes emprema mania bi anu odi a wochi ho anye. But I came to announce to you, the table is about to turn. Your story will change. Let God set a table before you in the presence of your enemy. When you will be watching, one may any man was will make him. One Maya Modam so Hebrew. Send your men and you want to pay what? What would they cut the sea? What our real grow? Who 20 and Toby anymore? What was that tight corner? Who be so decided say won't soon medium. The same is show crosser. Yes, we are torn, but would deny by a brow was said when a swan. Bible said that a breath of soon see a soya, a cobra of son chrono. We must say, if you do be a Debbie Bessa Sawati, remember such a amount, and I pay a bomb pay me to pass around there. When the woman your such a real mammy, such a real mammy, such a real mammy. I'm Cassam Yametiasin. Casta Jesus. I no pay. Such a real mommy. Such a real mommy. Such a real mommy. Such a real mommy. The baby did me hoffa. The baby did me hoffa. The baby sreme. 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 What's me nyame wa hefa? What's me nyame wa hefa? Everybody such a real. Everybody such a real. Such a real mommy. Such a real mommy. Mami hu abasa. Mami hu abasa. Trust bon paye. Makosha talagada talagada. I don't pay when such a real. Such a real mommy. Father, in the name of Jesus. Such a real man. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. I want to real heavens. I want to buy real man on behalf. Many are there that said that there is no hope for us in the Lord. But thou, O Lord, art a shield for us, O God. You are our glory and the lifter up of our heads. In the name of Jesus, we pray that, O God, may you lift our heads up. In the name of Jesus, may you open doors for us. May you open heaven for us. In the name of Jesus, Father, O God, let us be blessed, O God. Bless us, O God. Lift us, O God. Open doors for us, O God. In the name of Jesus, rain your blessings on us. Akosa talabahata. Ipaliba hosa. Intelekadebekapa. Antaliba rabahata. Intelekadebekapa. Makosa telekadebekapa. Ikaniba rabahata. Antilibikapa. Ikabosata. Antaliba rabahata. Hallelujah. The verse 44 says, Saamana ejatwa fo awo bo won ne no asenwe mu no nso din ho edin esu din atem Come on, was the thieves also which were crucified with him cast the same in his teeth. Omo ye bomo asem kan Yesu won omo nyedi Yesu atem. E to da bi ye nyanya ye wa manie ma ye ntoya de so nu etumi so di watem. Ye nyanya ye ti office han manu man koye ma ye. Bo bitumi so di watem ti ho tasu a wotwe ho won ti ase ye. Ye nyanya with the same issue, the same situation. Ba ye di watem. Ano paye bon paye. Verse 45 was na a free baye a wi adumienu brain no mu no. E sum tree asasa so. Na se biemu tane. No nsiabom yenu wate. No nsiabom yenu akuya. Kofi misi no nsiabom yenu. Se no nsiadi kan boy na wusu a. De to sum yenu be bo no. Na wo so wo sre. We de ko Facebook na ko shema me. Kasa Jesus. Semre bi baye. Semre bi adu. Ana ye di matam. Ana ye twetwe me. Ana ye sre me a. Me emre foforo. Amani monya be pie. Wo Yesu dem. Wo Yesu dem. Sisa memre ma me. Me Daniel 2. Verse 21. At the bomb pie. Erade. Sacramena. Everybody. Jesus. Samame. Unkuto. And I was a son. And now. Utua hefo. Esia hefo. Obibia. Odimeso. Akakabensam. Konkoniesam. Erade. Tunadia so. And none of pay. Bibora. Mama fie. Papa fie. Baby matranda. Obibia. Shameso. And Shasutu. To me be what Shameso. My time of suffering is over. My time of struggling is over. My time of weeping is over. This is a time of upliftment. This is a time of blessing. This is a time to build in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Daniel 2:21 says he changes the time and the season. It's my prayer this very morning. Any bad season, everybody be our firm. I come here, man. Kwadotie me ne wate. Make us go shabreso. Everybody and ugwasiabre, e kabre. Yaria be our firm. Let the hand of God change the time. Makodobo Shahayana. Everybody me kwama. About the financial account, and a period more than what it. The shop was so to Johnny, a buffet to Johnny, a reward to Johnny. I did the was a one study power self at time. Sad and inferior and a two corn. Who's as a windy power when you penny move, as a one self at time, as a Yamia Jomu, sad in a shower so the two corn at him. I rewarded to come. Catch your gas a crime will dream, and just what to come. Crime will draw a buffet to come. The night a show so butu so I can was so dependent and a two corn. And I'll pay what the financial account. You go the next level, Reverend Dr. Sharoto Drew. Let you go the next level. You can go to Facebook and share. The Facebook page is Apostle Solomon Odro Facebook, and also Asempa FM Facebook page. Okwana Washamaye Uti Asempa FM 94.7, Mamuti Live FM 107.5 for Kemkos. God bless you so much. This is Toko Ketwa. God bless you.
God bless you so much. Yes, you are friend. Now I shall boy. Yeah, over the come on, yes, you are.
Medima.
Kabosia.
Oh, no, no, Medima. Oh, Yakama. Oh, no, no, Medima. Yes, my friend. No way, show me boy. Oh, Medima. Yes, you are my friend.
Also, do you know that there are some people who are giving up?
My God.
And people think that the promises have been said, the vision has been given unto us, but there is no hope. That people are dying, they can't do it. The Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 3 said, write the vision down. It may delay or it may tarry, but at the appointed time the Lord will bring it to pass. But some are saying, when will the appointed time come?
When will be my appointed?
Some are asking God, when is our season? When is the right time, oh God? For people are giving up, they are dying because people are seeing pain and trouble. Father, you are the one that has promised us. We are remembering you with Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 3. We have written the vision down. We are waiting upon you, Jehovah. A sister is waiting upon you. A brother is waiting upon God. The man of God is crying out to God. But there's one assurance I have, that whatever God has said, say yes to what you're saying. As far as God is on our side, the things may delay, but He will bring it to pass. My dear sister, don't allow the trouble to overwhelm you. My dear brother, it may not be easy, but the Lord has promised and He will do it. We are waiting upon Him. Sometimes waiting upon God is not easy. Sometimes waiting upon Him, troubles will come. They will come in the marriage. They will come in the ministry. They will come in your office. Every aspect of your life, there are troubles everywhere. But it takes those who are strong to stand. Don't listen to them that are telling you, let's pass other means to make it. Wait upon God. It may not be easy. I know it is not easy when you have a desire in your heart, when you have a dream, when you have a vision, and that thing is not coming to pass. But one thing I know, that He has said it and He will do it. He's not a man that He will lie. He will never lie to us. But you need the strength to stand to the end. This morning, may God give you the strength to stand. May God give you the strength in time of your weakness. In times when situations are overwhelming you. In times where pain is coming too much. In times the people you trust start to stop you at the back. Don't give up on God. Don't give up. Don't give up on your faith. Don't throw in the towel yet. We may have nothing in our pocket, nothing to show off, but I have my faith to stand. I have my faith to wait upon God, that I know that one day my story will change. What is your story, my sister? Have you been rejected? What is your story? As Apostle said, one faithful guy who's a virgin, a man of God waiting upon God, died on the pack. If I were you, will you still serve God? It may not be easy, but let me tell you, all things are working together for good. If I even die with God with empty hand, I will be grateful. But God, give me the strength to stand to the end. Because many people, their love is waxing cold. They have waited, they have sown seed, they have been faithful unto you, but nothing seems to be working. We are still holding on to you, Jehovah. That is why many people are following the world, because they can't stand again. But oh God, help us to stand to the end. Help us when the storms blows. Help us when the flood overwhelms us, oh God. When people try to bring us down. When the mouth of the people try to shut us up. When people with authority try to step on us, oh God. We are waiting upon you, Lord. We are looking up to you, God. Never put us to shame. There is somebody listening to me. They are trying to step on you, but my God is watching. He knows what He's doing. At the end of the story, you will not be put to shame. The same people that stepped on you, they will be the same people that will lift you up because God has destiny for you. Are you dying in the marriage? Are you dying in the ministry? Are you dying financially? Are you dying with tears and pain? Then let me talk to you this morning. The pain is not easy. Bear it with Christ because He went through the same pain. Even on the cross, people tried to use their mouth to make Him confused. But He looked up to the Father and said, you take over right now because my strength is gone. I have gotten to a point that I am dying off. But Lord, you are the one I look up to. Are you on the cross suffering? Are you trying to go or kill yourself because of the pain? Don't kill yourself. You may be on the cross today. They will take you to the tomb. But I know after 3 days, your story will change. It shall never remain like that. Sometimes the pain has to come for tomorrow. Sometimes the rejection needs to be there to strengthen you to stand for God. I don't know, but God is with you. Don't look left. Don't look right. Look up to God. Look up to Him. Don't look at the situation. Don't look at the pain. Don't look at the rejection. Don't look at what the world is saying. Continue holding on to God. Waiting patiently for the promise He has said unto us. I don't know. You may be weak today. Maybe you're backslided today. But I beg you not to die with the devil, but rather die with God. If even we'll go empty with nothing, if even His promises will not come to pass, then it's better to die in God. Because to die in God is gain, because you have a place you are going. I want to dedicate you to the hands of God this morning. This man is the man that we are winning souls for God. It's the man that we are bringing the perishing back to Christ. If you're the one that is in God, you are dying, who will bring those who are outside into the church? I want to empower you this morning. We empower ourselves this morning that all weakness that we are going through, may the Lord strengthen us. That any emotional challenge, physical challenge, social challenge we are going through, may He, the Lord, strengthen us to stand. Say, Lord Jesus, I bless you for my life. I thank you for this opportunity to walk with you. Help me, Lord, to stand for you. We've made mistakes, but we pray this morning that you will wash us, that you will cleanse us. Thank you for the opportunity to walk with you right. Help us on the next journey so we will stand for you. In Jesus' name. Amen. I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody on Facebook, those who are listening to us, for my birthday wishes, for your prayer. Thank you so much, and God bless all of you. Apostle, God bless you so much.
Amen. God bless you, Reverend Dr. Charlotte Odro. Asuguswa Wuti Asempa FM 94.7, Live FM 107.5, Cape Coast. Live from Asempa studio. Asempa. I told you they are not paid. My catch was saying, I'm not paid. You be shuma warrior horo. What I say, but I and then over different thing altogether.
Asempa FM.
We know there was some money you ma who money what it is. Every get to it when you become your commercial bar. We are me patron you are na for pen. Only pen for paint, for church, and for draw. The bebo pa motmia a bompaye. What me free sati bien. By your commercial bus is here.
Asempa FM.
Nada crona ni penny autoi. Nada ni ariwe. Now me sing Toboy. Enti kambo. Maya fatabia. Haba mescha. Ensi anopano. Malaria fever. Montabia. Loss of Africa. Montabia. Say Punua. Montabia. Wolam Yahuya. Montabia. Oluwatuna something in India. Montabia. Eba Misha. Tabia.
herbal mixture. Usunumbi.
My name is Juliana Obu. My husband was a teacher in Apau Wawase in the Ayenswano district. He was killed by a bus whilst he rode his motorbike to school one morning. He left
Asempa FM
and 3 children. So suddenly, I received an amount of 18,000 Ghana cedis from the GSSIC Life policy to help me get back on my feet and expand my trading business to take care of my children.
The GSSIC Life Insurance Policy eases the stress and burden of a teacher's family should the unforeseen happen. Call 0501 694554 or log on siclife-gh.com. SIC Life, absolute peace of mind.
SIC Life.
Midindi Amena. Me ejuma Ghana Immigration Service. Esansenya baabia na medru ho. Ana baabia na masombe wonti. Se ebetimi akomba sabasaye ene bone ewo ye mpotemu a. Ewo se wo ye mani na wo ye mason. Hu bibia kan bibi. Fra your number so ye nya ohwe 18555.
Sankratwe wabusua ene wadofo a ewo Asempa FM ene debro. #if you see something, say something. Bibia, Kabibi.
Hey mate, make us a messy or hawante.
Madam Abotre, why can I be you?
Dank Natural Herbal Complex. Hey ya pomudimu free screening. I'm on man for a free 1st July. Equositas 1st July. Who be yes ama catchery.
Hey, Nancy, or man for your fruit rotary. Do one. Dank Natural Herbal Complex for 1st July. Equositas 1st July. Free screening no. Or what I don't want to crow.
That is a winning baby.
There's a cry free screening ye diaba. Dank Natural Herbal Complex. One more patasi. Brother Mansport, ya wane share free station edition ni mu. Accra so Tabora number 2. A horse wane share free station edition ni mu. Ubetumi afre 050-149-8026 and 0266-593-330.
Asempa FM.
Dan wano pebi na mese me kosra masa woni fi.
Hey, Asil kono for calibers. Udi ebremu e.
Enti komodi diemu na mete wana di hwehwem bi tu fa me hwenim. Wana mtwa meni sharp. Ena me say, aso we di ampacho me gu nsu aba kakra. Enso sa meboa. Na oni bebiam kopie ye. Kitchen santan. Bitu meni na bi bisi jaso. Ena me say, me beso oja na we di me hwankwa. Me de vim bie so. What hell wow. Sana ye ana perfume dries. Left, right, Ubiamba, and I Kamano. Succulent, 100% super jasmine rice.
Hey, Calibos, who ya den waha?
Yeah, chame. Oh, I saw it. Take a crab and why? Anna perfume rice, the family's choice. So pedidwe to our friend 0261576496.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Aha! Afei the fieta numera bayate. Your ultimate sports station Asempa 94.7 FM. DBB for crowd na emperor. Ready. Kaye o my switching console for I am proud zone. Fieta 20th September 2019 7 p.m. Yes, switch it and you won't be prep zone.
Oya godini ba anase berima opanyini anase abofra obi a wanya nkwanhia wo nompe anase achikase mu hawo no kawakoma to yem for ni se give scientific herbal clinic na ho ne be show very very colorful ama wo ha nyina afri so
je wo adokitafo a wakwadre wo sra nsa ene nan enkasaya a emu abuo achikasaya ni nompe kan na ho hawo
yesan so treti nipadua emma didie ho akwankyere amiami amekyere massage bi de ye betene tedi ama wo si yetwa nipadua mu mfoni ene mogya mu hwehwemu biara no so wo honam mre Fra chucho anumunka tipaye atridi madedia sisi yade ewa ebunu brefo Fabra Giver Scientific Herbal Clinic near show yade
ye adwuma fridadwa da kwesi memene da anapa no so de kwesi anwumre no nsia
rechi kwan e wo teshi twi bleo ebempambu sport wa obetumi afre 0240143267 and 0268215489
Asetna pampai bodin defwe. Ebrana sansu biemo. Afibia to all Fridays in pai bodin dia edisi ho. Emma my Ghana no asaya dru obiem. Esha sie fiada 11th October akopim efiada 27 December 2019. Ejidi for say ansori ansu amfre nyankopon a. Eniema bejinsemu. Ghana se nyankopon kasama yenya. Nipa bia ni ho a obeboa yen. 2nd Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14 say. Na sami manya wabo mi din wo wonso no bebre won ho ase. Na wo bompaye, na wahwehwe manim, na wasane afiri won kwambonne so a. Menso mefiri osoro matie, na mede won bone ache, na masa wasase yade. Eno nti Apostle Dr. Solomon Oduro all the 16 regions in Ghana. Eastern region Koforidua, Upper West region Wa, Upper East region Bolgatanga, North East region Naliwigu, Savannah region Damango, Northern region Tamale, Oti region Dambai, Volta region Ho, Bono East Techiman, Ahafo region Goso, Bono region Sunyai, Ashanti region Kumase, Western North Seshuyoso, Western region Sekendita Krade, Central region Cape Coast, any Greater Accra region Accra. Akwasa ehwan mu nyina anwea aba Accra, the capital of Ghana. Ama ejidefo nyina betwa ho hia abompa yasra yaresa ama asase no na meso aduane emu sika kokko ene asase mu ene eso ajapade a onyankopon de hyira Ghana asase na ayenhyira ama Ghana de hye. 12 Fridays of taking over for Ghana Bible kese fabotaye bi se woni so won paibom na Awurade besan ya behyeyen bomade na ba bia ye kobia no de akire na fa ho hya kwankyere bia onyankopon be kire mu frɛ 0242 141 707 ana 0244 883 702 asetna pampa bodenden ejatwiato den ejatwiato fire there for the bottom alakwa ejatwiato fire there for the bottom alakwa
Asempa FM.
Yane jawo sure udi hunto wahini emra opensane wasasi so sanya odi adifu adi kani ya nwanwadwuma no Apostle Dr. Solomon Oduro ohia winyansa ohia winimdie ne waho oden sanya wonam ne so de obatan kase tokro ketu awa woni mapi ebine Save Life campaign asetna pampa ibodenden liberating the liberated onam so de bubum punchre yeah tokro ketu
Asempa FM. Asempa FM.
Tokro ketua emunsempi. Ebani
Asempa FM.
Ena osofo afedie wonam enrosui. Ebani say na minua.
Asempa FM.
Asem ketwe bi na yasem kese na wadi nshira so guso twen ye
na papa we ye
tokro ketwa no
Asempa FM
akra ketwa woni maame wodi asem ketwa bi di agwa ba yasem kese
ensem shishe adak
nipa ye nama yekoba no ensem shishe adakam great matters hiding in your box wadi nshira makachi wo say ene anopai ye besua no ma bebre afa sunsumu aware ho na me catch you last week say what is a sunsumu aware a ebi hono ma omo njindi obi won so onim se oho but onim se ne na de ban sitie ma me kan kire obi e wotie mi bia say wudi sunsumu nsam ana wudi sunsumu nsam ho agura honam abrabo emu be ye india ma ade bi besi wo honamu bia na ade di can take place e was sunsuman sana epi honamu ni etwa se woni pa bia bon homodin wo sunsumu onya sunsumu hoden sunsumu nimde sunsumu ntiase sunsumu nyansa ansa na honamu otumi atena asase so etumi asafata sene oduma koma bo ba asase so kan wo se nyakopon onyakopon ye sunsumu. Last week, me catch was on Nipa, a yamiansa, Nipedia, Sunsum, and Wakra. The idea any who nears or a Nipediane pep, but Okrano, any Sunsum the you. The Sunsum were creating Nipediamu, Omoya Juma, a woho, Netiasi, a real Say, ye can't soon some Biana, never be fin say, ye jam homoso. I did back one, I'm salvation, and your total will have your bronsam. Revelation Bible say you have 2 Satan bad super Bible say what there was total salvation. It's in the bronsam tea asumjeni asase so. Bronsam na powerful tea and nigenia brabo ye boyimu. They say ye can soon some or so uti ni ye. No who say wo ho. Now we hear wo bo homodin. Paul can Ephesians 6 the verse 10 was near dear children no ma honya den. We radimu and na ho de tumi mu. Na she akode ni nyina nyakopa akode ni nyina na mo se enye ne ho na ni mogya na edi esi eni sunsun mu ewiase mu atumfo ye wasase so atumfo ne ni ekukudam ahemfo te se bia otumfo mi bodi aka asem asante hene enkra hene eni ahemfo tisisisi amaman so eni krokro so a ekase mpo hepru omo ne atumfo a ayeni momum ba ye wo sunsum so atumfo a omo so ye adwuma ekura mbra ede ye adwuma ye wa ahohoma e wo wiem ayefie ni hu ye pagye ni hwe so ye bompa ye fe se ye bompa kire ruade ba ye wo first heaven second heaven and ye wo third heaven emre pemu make sure say no nyina ye Peter make a statement bo 1 Peter 5 the verse 8 was otafro some bom se jata opubiam ne no sanso na se me ma wote ase say Luke 10 the verse 19 Yesu ma asuafo no so ahomone so tumi omomtumi wa ahomone so ene yare so enu tinu se me chose ne ahohom siti Mark 5 for Quran Bible say abrante bi asa na wo so for evangelist there's no abodam at the tomb for years talking can Mark chapter 5 the verse 1 to 20 now Yesu Kristo koto no otutu ahomone na mahoma makose stars to finimu demons powers of darkness. Okay, can Acts 16 the verse 16 to 18 now Paul to two come home if your Bible ketu ebiso ne pesa me catch when you say ya honhom a omo ye dwuma ahonhom wo ho ahonhom ye dwuma woni pabra bom eti wo se wote ase na utumi hu say me bon abrabo a o se me bon ye Yesu make statement bi Luke 11 the verse 24 o se ye tutu ahonfi efi obi so a okochinchin sra so okochinchia na so hwe na se baby etu ni free ye no se hono mo de baby ewu ma na wo samba back na se kwanda hono mo a oba be prepremu kofan na nyankofo kohyem wo sra so makoma nson ebe tra wo ni paduam ena be di wochi ama wo ekane abrabo na wo bo no ebe ye wo sa chensa wo kan Colossians 2 the verse 15 now Bible say Yesu Kristo ni ahomone ko be wo petemu eduomo so wenya de ye kokom ye ntomam ade anadem petemu Jesus e display wo ugomani mu asem na just say wa honhom a omo ye djuma but by the grace of God we have a name called Jesus as your body Jesus na every knees ekoto Philippians 2 etinu se wotie ni yie na wusua ebeboa sunsuma ware anything me famna honam ye ware ai ye ware ye wo aware ahoro sa obidu ne pempen so bi a from 18 years yeko aban mu ne ye mane kwan say obetumi aware aye ne ope onipa du ne mpani fie so a ohuni dofo na wasene pe na wate ase se wo ye me choice wo ye me type wo ye obi a me pewa na wate ase ama no no de wakwa agya fie na agya ne nage watum ya hyehye ne amawo sika enasa no ma obeye de ya yo ba ne ho ade mabusua mie na betra ase na ya gya tuma no muti so nsa agya ware no na wa ye obi ku prekope ana obi yire prekope ede won hyehye de a ya hyehye wo hunama ware emo ni pe kwa ware a onsa na chi biem aware hu hia onyamie ne gya ware ho tin wo hye abodi fiti ase no wo dia ware na hye ase se ne be ya ni timu po ni nyansa no pese wi ase kokoduru no wonama ware so pese duru ho sana Satan so nama ware so e di sen yakopon botaye e di areho ene wo ye nani abene abani pabrabo mu ka hu sɛ nya ware a ka ebia ka Adam ne Nyankopɔn ntam yɛ fine ba ware nti ɔbaa ne baa mu pɛ ɔbonsam fa ɔbaa no so ɛma Adam ne ɔbaa no ntam yɛ basa ɔne Nyankopɔn ntam yɛ basa eti ɔbɔnefo ne kyia ware fitifiti aseɛ aware bi nyame sɛ wo biara is under attack wo person wo ware so wo under attack eti tibia bia wo tibia person wo free mu ware bia no problems issues be pumping on you but say what you say a be boa pa susuma ware ne say obi wo hono mu a ne kra no ya ware ne kra say bia okra kwame okra woduro wo eyire a woni ne yire no eti wo sunsun mu a obi nim efia atim ebi mpo amye mpo na mede me ho kra no honam no menim efia sunsun mu menim yire ne tim na so wo ho a eyi adwuma obi wono mu a sunsun ne wote ode wo yi adwuma e ma bronsam me catch you last week say ye chichemu bebre wo sunsun mu department bebre abronsam mu enam so de serious eya wo ta say ye wo occultic kingdom ye wo we san e wo susuma ware so kingdom ahenie kese a te say ahenie te say bia Ghana ahenie a o man pani da no obu o man no san susum so ware tie de won krobata bebre a san krobata se wonim na so wo ne man ni bia e be di wunya pa na wo hu a wo be si abompa ya break ya utumi firi da menim se wo bia bi wasoma wutie ne yie bo mode na fa pen na trotro se eba susuma ware a hohoma odiso efe no sukubus ani incubus sukubus no aye oba na incubus no ye bema etika wo de ba ene ya misa Mrs kubus omo ye misa Mrs omo na govern eba susuma ware nyina omu diso hene susuma ware asofo wo problem enyontofo ekristofo ewiasefo nipa bia wutie mi bia no wo problem about susuma ware ho na wutie dwumadi a ebibie wadwe mu emu ahu sane esitie wo yare na kwagina ebia drugstore pharmacy ebusa se ohwe wose meyem ofe wose dabi ofe ane wafe se mienu miensa wuti yoya eye wo se utumi didi utumi da ye busa wonum nsam na wono ankasa de nadwini ni school okoye ama ho aduro enu nti sa na wokọ hospital so doctor no kwa obusa say utumi da efie sei na wonya asa ya rie bi sei na odi gina so wo de ma waduro sa na se wo bọ mpa yensu na wo break susuma ware a so to me specify susum ko a e how to me ko a etete wo na de na konyame anim wo mpa bom wo break no wo gyanyame asem so ebubu no anya sa na kogina ho me yare ohemfa a uti oya a meyem a ebeyi kode ye de amaw na ye bibia ma safa kwose oto e bia ho ye ohia na adodo na se wunim ya de ye ode a woka oduyefo ni madu ade be maw e ma yare natu enu nti Nyankopon oye mpaebo tiefo no eya ye bo mpai onyame animu a ye specify de kwa ye bo ho mpaye ye nkyere wese ruade me fie bo small de tigare ana hame watiti me maame for 26 years ogumi maame aware me so tigare hohomo hame yesu ntimo me brewase na wese won kwa na abo nse bompa ye abosumo bosom be no hawo yo bosom bebre ensuo bebre ekonya enfrema ene be pahoro a aho wotiti ma etiti nipa want me specify what me mention din amon paya yesu tutu ahomone no wose monko wose yenko adentia wose yenya baako ye dɔɔso enu nti no wo ye hwan wose ye dom na se yesu pɛso ohu po adepotia otu no wo hu adepotia ɛyɛ etete wa mama wo be kwasori years abompa ye ohura no da you end up blaming God say nyame anyone in the year Jesus tutu amoni o to me specify now obeso be yare obesan say then amenye mawo woni mu pa say we woni afro say then abese me ye mawo me pese me nitie e be say me nsa eyeyie e be say maso eti asem woso gidie agye nkwa want me hu sunsun fi a edi wunya enkoda ye wo sunsun boni edi ni pachi sunsun boni eti ni paso sunsun boni eti ni pamu sane wo konkro edi ni pachi hon konko atimi ewo nipa so na hon konko so atimi pemu ne etie mu na ma ye tumi me tumi ko heavy e ma ye access to heaven and then ye so na ma ye power to perform miracles and wonders ne edi echi no ana boy kokko eno ye believer mo ye unbeliever hon konko di echi boy kokko all the time so obi be fa ruade se nini ruan ne kraje nkwa hon konko betra ne honhum mu the second na aboa ne kra no motumi ye powered edi ekane abebu fia na obo no so na eba ne sa etumi ema ahode eba ye so ye de ware eba ye so ye de yie eba ye so ye de tumpo no etumi ye adwuma wo so yie sukubus and incubus opese na mamuo ye yie ntino wakichem adwuma ne de amam ahoma hororo a omo ye adwuma no tesi amabodi na ko bompa ye se apostle duro se sukubus na ha me obebo 20 years anya adwuma ono ye mampani na adwuma doso na adwuma na hemfa no de ye wo eso hu baabi poten ko a de ye wo de tete wo wotumi abompa ye abreki so sukubus and incubus wakichem ye wo masturbation spirit ono so ye kingdom kese pa a ono so eye adwuma and ye wo prostitution say obi say like obodwaman say bia ojina circle oni mema de da oni ma de da ni na no e wo hono mo ye wo omo hyeda ebo edi egisika ede hwe omo ho edidie handan bafin say bia eyadwuma ho ye be ye sunsumu ya e control no a eyesa a ni nyina no Satan egi credit Satan ya no son faso oba prostitution ase eneme nkyere ba be boss watchroom e wo independence call guest omo no metro escort and ye wo escort agency ye wo escort agency employee and ye wo brother employee they wo window workers and they wo bar or casino workers and they wo street workers ni na no ye ashawe for classes levels make it ni na mu atro emre semu no so be say or you positive and me patcho busa say ehfa na wo obo hemfa the class ye him or hemfa or bar casino or bar casino worker then wo ye na say bia won so so wuti mu na wo pese ofiri ma wabodwaman ya wabra no hu ba bia Satan de wakogina wo number 5 number 2 na wabɔ mpa ye ji wo kra firi mu anya sa na ko bomba say adwama hu bi etim abra bo so tuko a adwama no ndo bɔ no say no bɔ no odo fa hemfa emepa mu metro ni nyina ese wunua ba bi oba bi bodwaman ogba hyawe na pese ofiri mu a want me specify ba bi okɔ no amɔ mpa ya breakina on firi mu da enu ti no tie dwumadie ne bɛboa pa ye wo gay spirit ono so ye dwuma kɛse pa ahohom ni nyina wo inkubusu ase no de ne ho ɔden a owo sika pa eye gay spirit ono no na dwuma wo ye no ene sɛ ɔma bɛma ne bɛma da ɛna sɛ ɔma ɔba ne ɔba da obɛfin sɛ bia ye wakɔnɔ ɛna sɛ bia ne wo pɛ na wo ye but eye spirit bia e control wo a eyusu wo na wo ninkosu ya wɔto ede gu mu mekyerɛkyerɛ ni na ba bia ye tanya free ɛtɔ da bia ebi nya free wa ma me awodiem ebi won so akobɔne anyonkosɛm ɛde saa agro ni na de be eba na eba homosexual na se gay na no more de ba no o ma wadwen sɛ bia obedi 80 years ya se gay spirit to hye wo so a wote 20 years if you fie so to obedi 60 years obedi sister wote firi so na ka 40 years ono ko to me did that 20 years if you fie so na yare ode ma no edoso bebre o ma yare bebre ni na ode senya me abode na enne ba bia me no hwe na ma bia fonas na tum e masturbation na nyame adoma next week ye ko spiritual marriage about home efie de no so ne say obi aware time aso onware obi ni konti omokonda bia da bia tokwa skantna ne nsam odo obi ne da eno kura me ye form eno aso force eno ye form eno pompo na yetumi mpom breaki ene ka adwama hom na to so de ya untumi so obi ne mema be ye 410 da na dwoa me ka say enani ena wanu maduro ye sunsun boni aba ne so a wo de ye saade no masturbation eya atenka bi a sunsun bi a se to hye wo so a na se bi o ho akono watenka soro pese wo ne be ma na wo bada na sɛ saa bere ne sɛ ɔbaa ni hɔ bɛrima ni hɔ a ɛno onipa twetwe ne ho de ne nsa ɔyɛ ɔbaa so de sa hyehyɛ ne ho tena bɛyɛ n'atenka no bɛwie pɛyɛ ɛna ɔyɛ bɛrima nso ɔsosɔ ne bɛrima mu twetwe ne ho ɛma ne ho nsuo sane na nyɛ twetwe ho na ɛhia ɔba nsuo no ɛɛba no ɛna masturbation no ohia na ade baako ne sɛ dodoɔ naa na ɛfa ne sɛ yɛ biribi kɛkɛ obɔ wɔfe sɛ yɛnyina a wɔnyini ɛna sɛbisɛbi ɔnya saa atenka no sɛ wode wo sperms egu atere so na so candle hyɛ ase a yɛ mogya kɔɔ ɛti saa nsu fitaa na ɛfiri ho ba no ɛyɛ mogya nko a na yɛ nnipa maako over 70 billion nnipa nko a yɛfrɛ mo nkwamoa ɛma wom mɛma wom ma mefa wentwa mu ansa amanfoɔ taa firi busa saa kɔhyen no obi wɔn so na wɔ su na wɔtete sɔsɔfo ma wo ma nko a meku sɛ ɔpɛ bɛrima ma wo bɛrima nko a meku sɛ ɔpɛ ɔbaa nipa wɔkyɛw bɛrima bi a wotie me biara no wona wo mɛma nko a wona wo mɛma nko a ɔbaa biara ne tumi sɛ ɔbɛwɔ ma nko a ɔbaa biara ne tumi sɛ ɔbɛwɔ mɛma nko a fɛ wo kunu wɔntie bi fɛ wo kunu wɔntie bi ɔbaa biara ne tumi sɛ ɔbɛwɔ ma nko a ɛna mɛma nko a ɛma nkosua no yɛ s ɛma nkosua no yɛ s mɛma no kura y and s ɛno nti no sɛ wo bɛrima no ho nsoro kɔwura ɔbaa no ho a nnipa nkwala maako 70,000 no 70 billion no sɛ deɛ ne ho ɔden no wɔn wɔ dware a kɔka ɔbaa no kosua no a sɛ yɛ s na ada ne ɔbaa ɛyɛ y so na ada ne bɛrima ɛno nti no ɔbaa biara wɔ wia bɛrima biara wɔ wiase biara no ɔbaa wɔ mu because wo bɛrima wo na wɔyɛ y no wokɔka ɔbaa no s ho a na wɔbada ne bɛrima it is still ɔbaa wɔ mu nyame yɛ saa in the way sɛ woba bɛnyini abɛ produce y ne s awurade wɔ nyansa nyansa obi nti aseɛ da ɛsɛ ɔbaa no bɛrima no s kɔka ɔbaa no s ho a ɛyɛ ɔbaa ɔtumi produce s ne y da but sɛ bɛrima no y ɛkɔka ɔbaa no s ho a na fam nipa bɛrima no bɛnyini na amanta bɛpie ɛbɛ produce y ne s ɛwurade nyansa deɛ obi nti aseɛ da ɛsɛ ɔbaa nyinsɛn a na sɛ ɔwɔ ɔbaa bɛrima na ama na wo ɔbaa ɔwɔ bɛrima so bɛrima na ama na wo bɛrima ɛti saa nkwamoa na ɛkɔ ɔbaa no ho no ɛyɛ protein a ɛyɛ nutrients ɛma nipadua no na Nyankopɔn nim sɛ ɛbɛdu pɛpɛ so bi onipa yɛnyina yɛrekɔ no a yɛware no a atetee ne pressure stress ne ba no ɛma ɛyɛ mmerɛ wɔ so many ways te Awurade Nyankopɔn hyehyɛ saa ahoɔden no wɔ bɛrima ho a wɔde ma ɔbaa no abere ne abere nyinaa ma ɔbaa ntumi carry on na abrabɔ wonim sɛ bosome bi yɛdu a ɔbaa kɔkwan so ɔbaa hwie mogya gu ne saa nneɔma no nti Nyankopɔn ɛpɛmpɛmpɛ so bi sɛ ɔbaa kɔdu ne mpani fi na sɛ ɔpɛ so ɔwo ne adeɛ a ɔma kwan ma bɛrima no ne nante ɛti sɛ wohwie saa mogya no agu a wohwie nnipa bebree no agu ɛno nti no masturbation yɛnti masturbation ɔmu adeɛ a ɔyɛ dwuma anɔpa awia ne sɛ tumi a ɔyɛ accident ebia tumi a ɔma ka hwe ase ɔno nso yɛ tumi ɔno ɔni nkubu so ase ɔno wɔ ne baabi a ɔyɛ adwuma ɛsɛ akwanhyia si kaa bi ahwe ase gyatɔ kaa bi mu ɛno nso yɛ tumi a menka ho asɛm ba mepɛ sɛ meyi adeɛ bi firi wɔkyerɛ m sɛ vip hwe ase nipa bɛyɛ bia 50 ɛna awuo nipa 50 na awuo no sɛ masturbation ma obi one guy pɛ twetwe ne bɛrima ne nsuo ba mogya a wɔnya no saa trema baako no ɛdɔs wɔ sunsum kyɛn nipa 50 na wɔyɛ mogya hwɛ gu a yɛnya gallon bɛyɛ bi a 20-30 no ɛdɔs adeɛ bi ɛfiri ɔbaa wodeɛ mba straight ɛyɛ powerful adeɛ bi ɛfiri bɛrima sɛbi bɛrima mu ba straight ɛyɛ powerful wɔda dwene ho da deɛ nti na ɔkɔtofoɔ ɛtaa pɛ ɔbaa menses sɛbi ɔbaa pad ana ɔkɔtofoɔ taipɛ sanka wɔyi pɛ mogya hɔ sanka wɔnkɔkɔ nipa ɛnsɔ ne mogya no sɛbi a wobɛkɔ nipa bɛyɛ sɛbi a 6 nipa bɛyɛ 10 wobɛsɔ ne mogya bɛyɛ yɛ kɔntoa bɛyɛ sɛbi edu wonya one pad pɛ ayɛ frequency a obi nya pad baako pa yɛ firi ɔbaa ho ɛwɔ bɔɔla so na ɔkɔ nane sɛ gold na ɔtwe mogya no gu atere so a tumi ɛwɔ mu no ɛkyɛn mmarima ɔmakɔ gyem mmiɛnsa mogya Power woman and what because I did be a friend with you, a powerful. I did be a free Bama, a powerful, a mystery, but you don't name him. Tanaka, a bus says, and ya good dear, and ya dear Didia, a serious covenant. Oh, your meaning the bronze money. It in I did be a free sabi, and what of what? I will fry was some amiam, you know, and I will fry ya only 1 week. To me, I will find what you crown, a chamber penny more bobra. It's a obi person where you see Numa. Nas or being home, so the tea sorry. What the video man penny, what the be a minister, assemblyman, what the be a company, what the be a Jumabia or be penny padom about a Jumanimua, what type pep, a motor for Moja, and a Moja FM and a placenta. Say be oba, I would ye cheer at the end because oba placenta a data, Emma Bufano, and Muna or Johnson 5, Udify or Homify, and one of Casa 5. The information be a for who be an all placentanum. The son of money would to me pa, it would demonic kingdom. When we say Wusiandi. Obi bia wa makwa ma bibia firi ho ma say tafa but the fan is come
small ho
enuti say obi ehwie sabe ne ba mansuo gu a ofen say gu form egu bathroom egu bedsheet so there bi there was spirit ya oso ohunhum no de ko what the kwa ya wo blood bank aw mo store mo jani na wo ho the same time betumi aye adwuma wona moja so na ye adwuma Satan ewo tumi ya onya tumi through moja. The baby moja beka gubi ano na Satan more powerful. And until the mamin can't say we are bema. Kana wan fa moja ama bronsam
matters.
Am wan fa nye no maboni enti ade. Tie mamin ka se bin show. Ye wo incubators. Okọ ebi 37 and I say bi akonfa noche hospital kesia. Ye incubator I know say ye wo bofra se wo nya ebi 7 months na say onyini ya ye ni hyem na ese no e ma bofra ni nyini ansa ye wo spiritual incubators e no so na ahom na ese no ma wom na sa masturbation ya me kana asem ono so won incubators mofra mu nyini 80 years, 60 years, 40 years, 23 years, 30 years.
Asempa FM.
We moja na young common or more or geno. What the question is connessing. What the be a connessia. What the nessia. You won't go for better. You will rich doctors.
Asempa FM.
You will educate for cotton. Oh, Sunsumu. And the ma air power. And when you say open a bar. Now go Udusini home. Sa konfobia e for konfobi tiemi a onwe nimso ye befo konfobia akom kama ye be ye kan
FM
ko be ye na de be hyenkom e se be ya benzima enzima ho ba be ye ba masofo koto be ye hyenkom omudu toto ye se oto half a bit me abobo bodi
great matters hiding in trouble swam
but uti mo phone
great matters hiding in trouble swam
but uti mo phone number I am telling you,
FM
is my hair uncle Tom. To me, the shankom be ye. But me a shankom.
Fire there for the baton. One halakwa.
Abu bofo numbers. Let's have no money now. And utility say I come kawa be ye so ebe kan bi. And the bemo to me a shankom. Abu bonko for the access. Oh benes yesi. And utility konfu bi ye be yifo. Omuti be mo ya we se ne makano krepa. And almost so Oma ya habenro
Asempa
FM aye kan ebinim so enimu fom ebi so nimu fom habenro fo kwa habenbo ma okote
FM
na wunimu fom tumini na nkasa oma wotene da
matters hiding in trouble
it habenro fo ebinim nimu fom ebi so aye ne kan kroje aye gift bi nyame de de amano ebi so omo ya we say wunimu fom okokwa yemu a o no mo kan sem wo kan eno ma wo yansan wo wura kwa yemu akote haban
Asempa FM
enu titie omokoto a sika koto ne de amaw nti wo ma na a wakoje saa eba no ye ma kosua emre na se bi ma bibi mre na wanyem obi bebusa me se na obi betumi anyem abronsam anyem nipa betumi ne wako Daniel Joseph se ne Yesu Kristo bai enipa te bia so no bronsam so emeni petumi be wiase story bia me te ye na nkofo ko heaven Kwofoko heaven is na bronsam ka say
Asempa FM
ana no mama kwame kwofoko heaven ana one spirit ka say obeba sase so on makwam obi enko heaven oba mu obi wo no odi 22 years no yiraye because we for assignment one day metro kwan fa so say tamen kwofo tumi nyinsan ahohom ema wo mu ye nipa eba sase so ibi be ye doctors ibi be ye nurses teachers pastors ibi be ye
Asempa FM
ewa sase so metro e wo Daniel
Great matters hiding in
masturbation
great matters hiding in trouble
sunsun wiase no saa ade na wo fa so no sunsun so benya wa brabom doso honam no sunsun nyina obesofa enu nti no se wo ya bofra na wo ya young guy no frase e de ho nsuo wo ya masturbation saa sunsun so honam mu ebenie ma me ma honam mu de na te ase number 1 edifra say oya osana wajumoja menka ebesunsu ma ne beba de nyamaye menyan kanchiro ba honam nie say ne beba edifra blindness
Asempa FM
bebre na kwa eye clinic ya eyesunsu so o masturbate at the age of 12 years 13 years 18 years 24 years e afi na ni efra ekodin wo hu ne papa e masturbation
Asempa FM
we nipa 100 john mo a emu 80 on mo ni yomo ya e masturbation I am telling you
Asempa
me kind of friend na atro ono ya well say but do na tanim ekoso ni fra 2 omo sam taifu do na nsem afu we say nipa ntam nipa mo sam say hwe Facebook na mencho ko Facebook na mencho ba bi efu no wo obi na sa nsem say afu a nsem say
Asempa FM
Queen Star ha onipa nsem ba bi edidie na ha sa afu a bo enwi kufu negu ho me de to Facebook na hwe
great matters hiding in trouble
onipa de anka yetri ye motom sabio ye ho ana funwi ene ada
Asempa
ba ye nsem ne ye namro mu de funwi ba wo masturbate a enwi to me fu won nsem me de to me Facebook page but me akohwe ena oma onya pampam type
Asempa FM
onya pampam type ebu no mark eye abusua de ba ebu on so a masturbation e shinwi papa masturbation to me shinwi pampam nya bepa wunyi kura na pampam reference de be
Asempa FM
ana eno so pa won so a ebedu pepe so bi no obema to me sorry biem
Asempa FM
ye bema na hu ne say yentri nko a na aka bom na beboa ho tina so obia na oba da me wo yiri ntimi nim na se hu sane a entine fo ni padua hu nyina e vibrate mo say yes bibi e pf hu ni padom e pf hu etina I am telling you say
Asempa
enya bia sanka onipa bia wo yes me yi hu nsu agu me yi nipa agu na bi ana no so pa ho a ye wo ma wo ye masturbation ma be ma na ye ketwa ebi wo so so ho obo so be ma na shape ni sesa ibo na ase etwa yubi sa no na chia obi won so woni padua kasa twintwam asa brewa asa akokora
Asempa FM
wonyine bia na so na wato ape watwintwam ni nyina de sense so na de eba and a mental illness what bi mu asa wonhya na nkoyie ureta afiade uta urefiade yebusa se udin de sankura na say medin na unkan udin kra
Asempa FM
and a physical weakness we ejuma kakra na wabre we bi kakra be na wabre na utifi free na ho yirawo na prostate cancer and also the ba to we na yare a masturbation e de ba apart from say me de bia to Facebook page ko na kohwe nko form some afu
great matters hiding in trouble
and na masturbation ti am some afu it way masturbation sunsum a eye djuma etian krofo now sunsum de no ma de brown de no ano den hey unya favor da hey nkofo na be ya djuma
Asempa FM
mo na wo kwa ye be pam aware time du a aware time e be say wonu kunda unya tenka
FM
wonu ide da hopa na wo masturbate
Asempa FM
wo your bounce now do sa shosho ho a nyakopon bo oba ho in a certain way say nyame ma be ma ho pele sanke sho oba ho eto de ade bia ko hye ho ebi mpo de Nokia phone nketwa yi bi ebi di kwadu ni sa ne o ma ne hye mo ho ade bia nya be ma wo de be hye ho no eyi sa nyakopon atenka no ne hye oba mu ni firi ho esa woni be ma da wunya tenka bia da woni be ma be da wie asa no nsa ko hye ho eyi atenka wohiama be ma no firi ho oyo be ma so eyi oba
great matters hiding in trouble
eyi oba na tenka no efiri mu but when we are them person now o masturbate but when we are the wie o ko masturbate ahonto it is soon be
Asempa FM
me no ka say obi bia wasate bia me fa ne senka me bibi for us not to next week metwa so
many matters
na ade ba ko be say be catch on say so betumi atie na be twa wafi ho a ebeboa papa anyesa abrabo no be ka achi sunsumu obeka achi bibia mu obeka achi adwuma wo ye adwuma enye yie wo ye bibia entumpon bibia mu ebese eba ne sa da bia no yire entokwa enije bia ni awawe mu wo ye bema so a kondo se ware but me atrasia awo ware da
great matters hiding in trouble
what do we see we beju hu so da bia bibia for nas natum na fe ama 4% omo kasa na no be one ma utumi ka kire me na me ma ho akwankire na beboa ba ka hu se e givers scientific omo na aso yasene e ba heba no pa dia omo yekiko omo ya de pa we say bia malaria how waist pain na how otabo wa ku obi aso afiri on ma obetinta so gu no so typhoid how utita ye wo ya so pa ho a numbness how weakness bia wo mu bia no ohumi a enkaboni firi mu ba but modern say wodo ni be kire give us onya ba magana enya faudie ni wo giem na mi say wo fa number na akom ho no mu a omo chibrel eho eno mo wo na behind bamboo sport eho no mo wo kwa aduro bia wo hia bia no won be ma ema wo ho ato fa number we 0241 0240 143267 and 026 8215-489. But more than so, on to me account there. Rocket Clinic. Hey, now we say a bab say BB Yari be 12 from Mupadia and then a rocket. I did back when manager want to say Yari be a yacht to say be a many sensation. Say be out to say Obama who show now, who number be show, and I say be out on strike in Mukari, and I say be a sufficient to me pay through home. Utumi say ulusu utumi ni di advance won kwa utumi ni di prostate cancer eye kese enlargement but modern say obekọ na ometumi aboa na bibi ekoso ni peduan bia no ometumi aboa na de ba akọ ni say wo de omo alkamin what natural mineral water no mu a ema yare ni asitu ntempa omo wo KTV abonsano e wo Pantan Junction eho enomo wo obetumi enye bi wo Repash Ventures any Kings Walk and Nisi Pharmacy, Omina or Kanshi, and I be so Baseline Pharmacy and Osan's Pharmacy Chemist, Ubebi or from 0244 183230 and 0248 885040. Now, when Bebuapa Grace Homeopathic Clinic, and so make catch you say a general consulting, laboratory service, general scan, body scan. Physiotherapy, omo ye good, dietary counseling, bet sure how we did diafa, and send ye no mabisi akoye, e di amawo, e ba yareshe pa this end time of the year, and old when it share Medina catch up boy last top one, we are better say te ema huato pa. Omo number 055 6181 666 and 020 006750 Tabia Heba Mesa. About Tabia, the last time I called Boas, no more Tabia, it's someone you know, Metua Sagum, a come at baby, or Majidin, Kumase, and Kraha, baby, the Tabia, or Majid, baby, brain, and Momatomo, a bar to say beer, body pain, and I say beer, Ulusu, Utumini D, fever show. No man could any idea, Omadroni, powerful papa, open a see to dia, and a contact woman, a Rituals Pharmacy, Naomba Buapa, Emma Bibia, Ayakama, and almost out of Repash Ventures or Kanshi, and almost all Kings Walk, almost sounds will be Fred 0243 686861, Tabia Mr. Heba Mr. Omo powerful papa but more than I say odo be shim na bibia be fine Borges olive oil so aso yasene omo de eba empire ye boya eno ane degree so anonte ho bompaye asesetma pa 12 Fridays be de ye Borges ana ekọ ye woni de no aduane a unya koma yare ye de sra ema nwifuo It is from between you fool, your body, ye kama. You want to get one nakasi. We and quine and a stewer for body say, ye, the bebo, Yaribi any. And more phone to Tony Sanyo Mano, or one of the Bulgarians as Answaba, Bulgarian rice as Answa Big Jasso, Ope Papa Didia, any Omwa. But more than say, unsa, able to me, I can be na Ebeboa pa na Yari, and Namwa, so I've been Pedrium in a free was so aqua, Emma, Ohon, Atopa, and Eradin Sanso I can see. It was so Eradin sure and Eradin me come, maybe if us not to repair Mecan or more on my can actual. Now, but bet me I feel see you have 030. 221-6545 030-221-6545 030-221-6545 and 030-221-6546. Talk look at
the Moses because I free to do what.
But I say, who did say?
The Moses because I free to do what.
You too, do what Moses.
Pacho, person because Yambemana you use 2 condom as Ewa, be I'm say Yerimus. I was a Yena added to it, that's running service my taboo.
And yen condom and your cry. And yet, why you be there so for free? Because and Kuala Mama Brun some doors. Yamin, Dintia, or Ma Bemania San Quamwano. Titimle Muna condom be any hosa. Yamma yen, I drink Nimudia say, oh, your woken or you didn't know some of the transit ammonium. I mean, sure. Patrimit.
Hello.
Talk rocket to work.
A moon some dozen.
I didn't be a free.
Yes, frame you because a free order.
Me too, if you are dying, Aja.
And seminar can no crash. No crepa. She say, me see no. Na say, me a due time, you know, na me sheda nyang bonisa. Na mission die Julevia. I say, Emma me, who say, I knew my museum in a young system.
Wow.
Na say, we nipana say, or say, what do you to a new mountain once were one via Abrabon Bediamo. If you say, and you man has a museum, you know. What the bidding come with the books you may send you now already. Old books via a chair, a pioneer in the passage here, a year physical things, no, a year linked to spiritual things, no. Anyhow, a scientist, no, I feel you, baby. I'm leading forward to darkness. Our man can something here say. And you know, a dozen. Me number to get enough frame me here, pa, why? Mate. Bye.
Talk rocket 03022165545 03022 Talk rocket 03022165545 Talk rocket Anya patrol no way ni kakra ko phone into me mfa wiye. Talk rocket
good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Din be kasa free.
Patrol FM. Me di be sie kakra bi bintini so.
Me patrol nya hwe.
You can say. So sir, enema we my family pain na me at the age of 12 years, as you say, more 24 years. Na me come masturbation my age pain, but Siciano, Namiado Majai, but a na essence my dream say, me sound quiet.
Asempa FM.
Because I don't know. I didn't shame to send me sound quiet, me or my over, but one I didn't shame to send me sound quiet, but my sin who be say, Nadia, meet me, may be.
Sure, what the empire?
I did about say, my wife in Mimi Chaya, and as I drain the bummy to say, me.
A young fee. Yeah. A woman fee. to the show also day. Why no when you go for that? Why? Tokro kitwa. Tokro kitwa. Tokro kitwa.
Emu SMP.
Udini baby kasa free papa.
But your friend William Tete, me kasa free station.
You two station Tete.
Mpacho uka assembly say omo komo no. Omo hu ade komo ba omo ya beifo. Na asofofo no so omo hu sunsun ade enu so den.
Say me catch you say ye wo sunsun abrabo. Nyakopon ye sunsun, nyakopon so de sunsun so adom asofo ni bia. Omo so ehu ade enu so wo ho. Ba yiminim say ye wasofo sunsun bi nso mo so kwagi nduro e de hyenkom. Ha nti eno de e wo ho sunsun de wo ho asofo bi nyame grace grace on konkrutumi wo mo so a hu ade pa hyenkom pa. Yeah.
Yo.
Me das pa. Nyame shira. Tokro kitwa.
Emu sampi.
Udini bebe kasa free.
Pacho mi kasa me ndi si kakra.
Me pacho yo nyehwe. Pacho kasa free hin.
Pacho mi kasa fe Accra Medina.
Yeti free Medina.
Me ma ye bia ma ya chepa. Ma ya tisitama me ko school. Pass 2009. Na madam for be dada me. Oh, me dia no ese me kanya fufu ba family boni chemi se ana funo okochi akụkọ na odini be ma ni shema no timi suminye ma anya obakota
tuni akụkọ dada.
Hello
patrol etino what happen ene dai abwan dai
ipacha oye no ni so ma mi suminye ni ye e friend etino ma service is
tuni akụkọ ne dai
le bia mitininya
patrol like abwan uya na like uya na so nyankwa
ipacha nni
wow
ni ba ashame tu sa
na bo tumi ni ye wow ya me fa
etena etino mi ya ma ya mitni bompa ya mewie pa bono na mata akoye
patrol
mi ya pasi wo ho aso mitni
a strong spirit pa a strong spirit me de number ne betu dwa na ebre na nya ye be me din e the apostle Solomon Odro nyame ya doma 18 to on the 21st this month ya 72 hours non-stop prayer non-stop ye bomb fire from Wednesday no pa ko Saturday no pa baby I will be able to be ho ahye obetinya be da asori ho na wokwadwuma na wabebo ye honum the whole 3 days ni nyina 72 hours non-stop prayer ye bomb fire say we restore ye ni yahre the free your soul ensan so mrabiem ye prepare your home for 12 Fridays for Ghana any 2020 about the man in Sasso ye so o chenya me ya duma o chenya me pacho ye ya sorry o sa ma ne bi mu abra na ye mompa ye mount to side ni free so na everybody ne se be kan and o pass 7 na ya sha ase and ewia na 12 ni apon ba anadwi ya ye be on night wo FM yi so Asempa FM anadwi ti asetna pampa bo den anadwi 12 to 3 anadwi ye wo so na anopa no yakoya sorry e wo kwabenya na nyame adoma Saturday anopa so wo ba bia wo bia anopa 5 up to anopa na 8 na yapon Ewurade nhira pa na kai say the real man in me the Jumadian no de hye so kra oni Reverend Dr. Dorataki Yaboy ene Apostle Mavis Opoku Chesheso 26 to on the 28th a man from Winsham Thursday on Thursday and Friday on Friday all night nebebo pa the real man in me Reverend Dr. Charlotte Drew and the medicine is stress so if I didn't count everybody me kwama 12 Fridays na kwa so ba Thursday obe say we join a certain power workers here enumere 5 ye be share wo kwa benya ye pe prayer towers ye pe ashes ye pe singers betonyo mu e wo ye dwumadi na se wo ye kwa master so a bombo na bra na be kire ye kwa afo no nyom na ewade be shira pa ye pe organist ye pe nipa bebre betumi abo dwumadi no ye bompa ye e de amagana number betumi afrɛ me wie dwumadi ye e ye 0242 141 707 0242 141 707 and 0244 883-702 0244-883-702. Everybody shamba na mo Facebook nyina mo am go ka wo Facebook was say asem ensem koso particular was wagu ahome na roda was say asem ensem na no dey mo am wasem pan so grace blessing was God bless you daddy. Everybody shamba pa ye de dwumadi besia anadwe ye behia ye beto sa dwumadi so ni abom pa ye abreak na oje be ye wodia me de aseda kese e de ma anapefin rice ne apamfo eso ya se nyina everybody ensham nyina na everybody nsha ya isa queen star ene pakwesi ashin Sandra Reverend Lady Charlotte Drew na omekan yachi boy yachi domina e de besia dasende e bezan so hia ka sem number ne 0242 141-707 0242-141-707. Offer me Cecilia on Sabe Camiscia. Bye bye.